Hi coaches, I'm just going to take you through the new WOD structure. So if you're on your dashboard and you go to add a WOD, we're going to choose today's date, March 2015 for the normal class. All right, the changes happen down here where you're actually adding the WOD. So the benchmark exercises on the right remain the same. They're all pre-populated benchmarks. And then on the left is custom exercises. So quite a nice feature is if you like, you'd be able to save an exercise, for example, a box benchmark or a WOD that you guys do quite often. You can click the save button, and once you add it, it's going to save it to the list of benchmarks, and next to it, there's going to be affiliate, and these are the ones that you've saved. So it's just for quick access. How it works is that we've added a master list of exercises in the back end of pretty much every exercise you can think of. So if you choose back squat, it's going to give you back squat. You can go for Turkish get up. There's also some hero WODs, like for example, like Bradshaw and Bradley. These are all added in the back end. So say we're adding back squat. So you can choose it, in which case any back squat you do, it will link to back squats. Doesn't matter what the rep scheme is. The prefix is optional. You can say A, or A1, A2, 1, 2, 3, or you can say 5 times or whatever. You can use it the way you like, and it's more for display purposes. Rep scheme is also optional. You can say AMRAP, EMOM, you can say 5 rounds of, whatever you like. This is where it gets interesting. So measure, you can choose rounds and reps or max effort, skill, time, or other. So let's for this purpose say rounds and reps, and let's make it 5 rounds of 5, and the description we can say build to heaviest. Exercise category, this one would be strength, and measuring unit is kilograms, and we can add that, and you'll see here it's added. Next, let's do something for max effort, so that changes to the rep maxes. Let's go for deadlift. And max effort, this one will be B. And let's choose a 5 rep max. And you can write a description. Same thing, we're going to select strength and kilograms, and we can add it. Next, let's do a skill or time. So for these ones, nothing really changes. You can say for time, it doesn't add anything extra, but you know that we're going to be choosing time. It's going to be C, and let's do the WOD for the day. The rep scheme is going to be 5 rounds of, and we can choose 50 kettlebell swings and 50 double unders. Exercise category is Metcon. Measuring unit is time, min time, because we want to do it in the minimum amount of time, and add. Now we've added the 3 different types. The change here is that each one of these back squats and deadlifts will be linked. WOD, this is kind of like a once-off WOD. It's not going to be linked to anything unless you save it, in which case it'll save to the benchmarks. And when you're done, we can say I'm finished. If you go to today's whiteboard, it will show you how it's displayed. And there we go. It shows you the name. It's either max reps or 5 by 5, and it gives you the description. Thanks guys, that's about it. I hope you enjoy it. This does make for a better tracking system. It's going to be more accurate and we'll be able to actually track on a world-class level. Cheers.